Shut up.
Tracking a special ops team under fire in Qatar. They say they're survivors of the base attack.
Survivors?
I ain't never seen this in my life. Need gunships on station ASAP.
Predator's coming up in a minute.
We're linking the call to the nearest AWAC.
I'm no man, I'm a man. If you seen this shit.
Predator ETA, 2 minutes.
What is that?
We need air support, and we need it now. Roll in strike package Bravo on unknown target. I authenticate Tango Whiskey and time 0300 Zulu.
Attention all aircraft. This will be a danger close fire mission.
Weapons, I just get a call from Falcon Ops. Who's closer to kill box 1 Alpha?
Send the Hawks, sir.
Okay, send the Hawks over to kill box 1 Alpha. It's a danger close within
Switch the
300
Hawks
feet.
to Killbox 1 Alpha, 300 feet, danger close.
Friendly's in the area.
7-man team north of Orange Smoke.
Proceed kill box 1 Alpha. Gauge hostile.
Attack direction west. You're cleared hot.
Strike, tell me status while right now.
1-1, Dark Star status.
Lennox, the heat's coming. Blaze the target. We got a beam rider incoming. Lay target. The heat's coming. What? Bring it.
Receiving radar jamming in the vicinity of target.
Still not down.
Spooky 3-2, use 105 ship.
Be advised, ground teams requested 105 Sable rounds.
Lose him?
Warthog 1.
Confirm visual on friendlies.
Where's Fig? Fig! Get a medic! Get a medic! Black Hawk, you're gonna just hold on. He's got a pulse. Get in there.
Bring him home. You get those men stateside right now. I want them debriefed in 10 hours.